Hey, what's up everybody? Jason from Advanblack. Today we are at Bartell Harley-Davidson and we're going to be installing a carbon fiber clamshell cover, lid cover on this 25 Lowrider ST. All right, for this install, you're going to need just a couple tools. You're going to need a 1/2 inch open-end box wrench. You're going to need a Torx 40 bit and a Torx 20 bit. All right, first thing we got to do is remove the saddlebag. So just pop open the side here, should open up. All right, once you get it open, you're gonna see this lever right here. You're gonna pop it out and twist it. You see this little red flag come up and you'll be able to just slide it right off. All right, first what we're gonna do is remove this support net on the inside of the saddlebag, and that's gonna be with your Torx 40. It's gonna be the 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and then you gotta remove the shock right here. To remove the shock that's inside of here, it's got these little metal tabs on top. It's got a little slot underneath. You just need something a little bit on the sharp side, flat. All right, you got to remove this shock, and to do that, there's a little tab right here. You can take a flat tip screwdriver. I just happen to have my knife. I'm just going to pop it out. And then once you do that, it should come right off. There it goes. All right, next we're going to be removing the hinges. You only be worried about the outer saddlebag part. So we're going to move right here, 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 and here, and that's going to be with a 20 Torx bit. All right, you're gonna have a rubber gasket around here. Just go ahead and remove it. It's got sticky tape on the back side. You're just gonna have to remove it so you can pull out just far enough for the hinges to be pulled out. All right, and just simple like that. All right, at this point, we gotta take all of the inner parts of the saddlebag lid on this one and transfer it to this one. All right, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remove these latch hooks. And that's a 20 Torx ratchet. All right, next we got to remove the shock mounting bracket. That's going to be with a 1/2 inch. All right, the next step, we're going to take off these tabs that hold down your hardware inside of the saddlebag lid. And in order to do that, you're going to need some type of hook and some type of flat surface. Inside the tab, there's a piece of metal that bends backwards on the other side of the plastic, so you can't just pop it off. So that's where the hook comes in. So what you're going to do is you're going to go in here, pull that metal tab out. And once you do that, use your flat surface to pop it out. Underneath. Once you get it there, just Now we're gonna move everything into the carbon fiber lid. Just a quick note, when you guys take off these little clips, the piece of metal that's inside that holds it in is very thin. So try not to pull it too much. Try not to pull it too far out because it will bust on you, okay? So putting them back in, same, it's reverse order. Make sure that the rivet side is on the inner part of the bracket. All right, when you put it back in, this is the metal piece that I was talking about right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, you're going to push it back in once you have it slotted. So like so, and then just push it back. So it's on the other side and will not come up. Yeah, so you guys don't get confused. Make sure you're putting these screw brackets, the ones with big holes. All right, next guys, we're gonna be putting back in the latch hooks, and they're gonna face inwards, and that's gonna be with a 20 Torx bit. So they go in, and we're just gonna hand tighten them to make sure everything gets lined up. You don't forget to Loctite these. All right, after the hinges, we're gonna put on our little tow hitch right here. Tow hitch looking thing. This is for your shock. To connect it, we're gonna connect to the bottom one. And that is gonna be a 1/2 inch wrench. All right, once you install the little tow hitch here for your shock, we're gonna go ahead and install the hinges. All right, don't forget to remove your rubber gasket out of the way. Hinges are on a flap. We did not take them off the inner part of the saddlebag. So all we gotta do is just reconnect the outer part. So right now what we're gonna do is just get them hand tightened. Just till everything lines up. We're just gonna get everything hand tightened. Remember this is carbon fiber, so we don't want to like put all your might into these things. Just about 5 pounds of torque. That's all that's necessary. All right, don't forget about your rubber gasket. Put it back in place. Hopefully the sticky side didn't wear out. All right, next you're going to connect your saddlebag shock to the little tow hitch mechanism right there. The way you're going to do that, it should already be somewhat open. You're just going to place it on top, press it on, and then press down the clip, and it should set in place. All right, last thing we got to do is reconnect the net, and that's going to be your Torque 40 bit and 2 screws. Get a hand tighten first. Sometimes I use the bit just to get it in the grooves a little bit better. All right. All right, we got the right one installed. About to move on to the left one. It's the exact same way, just on the opposite side. There you have it, our clamshell carbon fiber covers installed on our 25 Lowrider ST.